talking quietly. Today we're going to do a video of a 2015 Doosan Mynx 5400, serial number MV0046-001388. There's a FANUC Doosan I series control. That's your X-axis. It's a boxway machine. Boxway on both the X and the Y axis, as well as Z up and down. You have 40 inches of travel in the X, 21 in the Y, and 20.9 in the Z. You have a 47 by 21 work surface or table size. The machine does have the tool touch-off sensor and also has an OMP60 probe. It's a Cat 40 spindle, goes up to 8,000 RPM. The spindle is running right now. That's 2,500 RPM. That's 3,500. That's 5,000 RPM. That's 6,500. Again, max RPM is 8,000. Cat 40 Big Plus spindle. 30 horsepower spindle motor. We have a side mount tool changer, 30 capacity. Another tool change. Machine is equipped with also an LNS chip conveyor and coolant system. You have coolant through the spindle. It's low pressure, 200 psi. That kind of does it. This machine can be seen under power in our Harrison, New Jersey warehouse. Thank you for watching.